Hello everyone. Today on our Intune with Education partner update, we're going to talk about the ability to customize an iOS home screen. And what that really means when we look at it from an education perspective is a lot of our younger students take their iPads out for learning and they expect their home screen to look a certain way, and their teachers expect their home screen to look a certain way, so that the teacher can say to the students, hey, go to the top right of your screen and I want you to click this application and open it. And the students, everyone in the class, whether present or virtually, are able to follow those instructions. Now, I and you understand that Intune for Education is a great solution when it comes to managing iPads in education scenarios, and many schools are already licensed for it. So this is a huge opportunity for partners as well as schools to get a lot of value from their Microsoft 365 subscription. Today we're going to go into Microsoft Endpoint Manager and we're going to customize an iOS home screen. So as you can see by my screen, I'm at endpoint.microsoft.com, and on my left blade I'm going to select Devices. And now my new blade of devices, I'm going to scroll down and find Configuration Policies and select Configuration Policies. Here I'm going to see a list that is searchable of all the policies I've already created in the past. But for today's demonstration, we're going to create a new profile. So I'm going to select Create Profile. And on the right-hand side of my screen, you'll see the Create a Profile wizard loading. From the drop-down, because we're talking about iPads today, I'm going to select iOS/iPadOS. And for profile type, I'm going to select Device Features. And that looks good. I'm going to click Create. And this opens up the Device Features wizard. And for this one, we are going to name it Custom Home Screen. And I'm not going to add a description. I do find that's helpful sometimes to put like the date in at the very least. And select Next. And my configuration settings page will load. And here I have some specific iOS settings that I can change or modify. I'm going to select the drop-down for home screen layout. And here's my ability to start building my home screen. So by selecting on the plus icon, that opens up a window on the right-hand side of my screen. And I can add iOS applications that I've already added to my collection. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to add Barbie Dream House Adventures. Books, Barbie Fashion Closet, and Calculator to the home screen and select. And here I can rearrange those, as well as add additional applications to my home screen. Satisfied? I can select Next. Here I can assign this to a group of users, a group of devices, and select Next if I've selected any groups of users or specific users I want to have this targeted to. I see a preview of what this will look like, and I can select Create. Thank you so much for tuning into this short video where we looked at creating a custom home screen. This is extremely important for schools Probably not pushing the Barbie application out, but for demonstration purposes. Schools might be pushing things like ClassLink, Seesaw, some other LMS solutions, some learning applications to make life easier for our students so that they can pull out their device, click on the application that they need, where they expect it to be, and get right to learning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I will add a resource link in the description if you would like to learn more about creating custom iOS home screens in Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Have a fantastic day.